2026, I am doing our 2025 Top Stadium Club Blaster 4-box break number 1. Guys, all cards will ship in this. Hits are autos, relics, numbered cards like always. But also there is 4 exclusive lime greens out of these blaster boxes that'll be counted as hits also. And I think there's 1 sepia per box. But I don't see it written on here, but it was in like the handout from Topps. All cards will ship in all of our breaks, so I don't have to worry about that either. I have one more set of Stadium Club on the site. It has 22 left. It's the Mega Box version. SBB 25 off will take 25% off of those. All right, who's got who in the break? We got James H. with the Diamondbacks and the Braves. We got Gilbert A. with the Orioles. Ben W. has the Red Sox, and Paul K. has the Cubbies. James H. has the White Sox. John B. has the Reds. James D.T. with the Guardians. James H. has the Rockies and the Tigers. We got Matthew F. with the Astros, and James H. has the Royals. The Angels is James D.T., and Ben W. has the Dodgers. James H. has the Marlins, and Joe W. has the Brewers. Ben W. has the Twins. Tommy K. has the Mets. Joe W. has the Yankees. Jared P. has the Athletics. Tommy K. has the Phillies. James H. has the Pirates, and Bill H. has the Padres. The Giants, Mariners, and Cardinals are all James H. Tommy K. has the Rays. James H. has the Texas Rangers. Brett H. with the Blue Jays, and John B. has the Nationals. Guys, the Heritage that's down to 2 is, if it fills, I'll be doing it tomorrow. Okay, along with Series 1, looks like that'll probably go, and I should have that in hand. And we could do Certified or Origins if we get those down, the other archives. I'm trying to spread stuff out, but by the time this one's over, I get it uploaded. Plus, I have 2 personals to do for James H. of that. It's going to be about 10 o'clock Eastern. And, again, I like to have stuff live. Doesn't mean that I'm not going to break it or leave you hanging, but, yeah. I don't want to really get into something at 10 and ending at 11. I know it's Friday, but I had the kids. I was up for school, and I'm making excuses, I know, but I'm an old man. And I'm not that old, but I feel like it. But I will be back tomorrow night. I tried Saturday afternoons. That did not work well, so it'll definitely be tomorrow night. So we should have at least 16 lime greens. We should have 16 of these lime greens. All right. Here we go. Short and sweet with this one. Tomorrow night, depending on what sells out, I might go even live a little bit earlier, like a 6 o'clock. 5 o'clock, somewhere in there. If we get, like if Jumbo's sold out and Heritage High Number and Archives looks like it could go. Just going to put all the blaster cards all on one pile here. How about we get one auto out of these 4 blasters? How about that? Alright, like I said, the last Stadium Club I have is the Mega Box. That has 22 to go. I think the teams start, or the lowest teams are at like 1750 before the coupon. Something like that. Alright, last one here. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Alright, focus time. All right, we got Mookie. All right, our first lime green. Justin Henry Malloy for the Tigers. Detroit is James H. Again, all of these are going to ship. Here comes our next one. Matt McLean for the Reds. John B. getting that one. Come on, let's sneak an auto somehow. O'Neal Cruz for the Pirates. Pittsburgh, James H. How about one of the GOATs, Greg Maddux, James H. and the Braves. There's our first sepia. Royce Lewis for the Twins. All right, you got Pedro, Boston, Ben W. getting that one. Pete Crow Armstrong. I mean, hey, if we're going to pull it, might as well pull the top guys here. Paul K. getting that one. Big Mac for St. Louis. Hey, you guys try the Arch? I went to McDonald's the other day. I don't know. Not that good. Corbin Burns for Arizona. That's James H. Here comes another sepia. Larry Jones. James H. getting that one. All right. Yu Darvish for the Padres. That's Bill H. There's a Nick Kurtz insert. Savage. Sluggers. Jose Ramirez for the Guardians. James D.T. Chase Utley for the Fightin' Phils. Tommy K. Rhett Lauder for the Reds. John B. Just saw something out of the corner of my eye. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything there. No, okay. Just seeing things. Barry Larkin, another hit for the Reds. John B. Miggy for Detroit. James H. Big Hurt, White Sox. James H. The Yankees, that Ben Rice? Yes, it is. Ben Rice and the Yankees. Joe W. getting that one. Nice rookie green there. Noma. Ben W. Sung Kim. Cody Bellinger. Yankees. Joe W. Garrett Cole. Sepia. Joe W. cleaning up there. All right. So let's see. We're supposed to get 16 of these greens. We got an extra green, and we got the 4 sepias. All right, no auto. That's okay. Again, guys, the Mega is on the site. Those have exclusives, too. I know James said he had to go to a party or something, but James, if you're out there, I'm going to do your I'm going to do your personals after this, because I promised to do those. And then if we want to fill up the Heritage or the Jumbo or anything else there. My goal was to get 10 breaks done this week. We're already done with 3. With 2 very close and a whole bunch out there still. There's 15 total, but I think it's possible. All right, there's the greens. I think the big team, the Red Sox, went in the jumbo. Pretty sure. Couple more here. A lot of greens. Two more. All right, and that's going to do it. All right, guys, more baseball on the site. Again, these up here, 25% off. Using SBB 25 off all weekend.